Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to convert any token to USDT in Bybit. Alright, the first thing you need to do here is to open up the Bybit app and log in with your account. Now once you're in here, as you can see, there's a thing called funding and unified trading. If your token is here on funding, you're going to want to make sure that you send it to unified trading. Alright, to do so, just go ahead and tap on transfer. Make sure that from is set to funding or funding account and to is unified trading account. All right, now if this one is not set to funding account, just go ahead and tap on the drop down right here and select your funding account. Once done, select your coin right here, for example, Bitcoin, and then enter the amount or USDT, and then enter the amount right here and just hit on confirm. Once done, it will be sent to your unified trading. So to convert any token to USDT in Bybit, simply tap on this convert section right here, tap on that. For example, you have the token on Bitcoin or USDC or any of these coins listed in here. Or if you don't see your coin right here, just go ahead and look it up right here. For example, Solana, Sol, enter or tap. Then make sure that it is set to USDT right here. All right, just hit on code and there'll be a pop-up right here that lets you know that you can redeem it in 15 seconds. Just go ahead and wait for 15 seconds and hit on confirm. Now, once done, go back to your assets right here and your token will now be converted to USDT. And that is it. I hope this video helps, and please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.